How to add music to WhatsApp status on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add music to WhatsApp status on iPhone. So simply just open your WhatsApp account, and after that just come to the update section, and over here just simply click on add status and just select the picture that you would want to add as a status in your iPhone or in your Android. The process is quite similar, so just simply follow the steps right here. So for example, I want to put this picture as status. In order to add music to this particular picture, all you have to do is just simply click on this sticker icon from the top menu itself, and over here you will be able to see the option called music. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply select the music of your choice. You can select the popular music that have been trending on WhatsApp these days, and you can also go with the mood section and just select the music of your liking. There are genre as well, so there are basically so many options. You can also go to the search bar and search for your favorite music and just simply select that music, and just you need to click on this arrow icon in order to get the music in your story. Just simply click on this arrow icon from and just select the kind of part I want to add in my